So the folks that I work with, I'm not going to call them liars, but for the past couple of weeks they haven't told me truths about what would be happening today and leading up to today and tomorrow. So my understanding is we have some event coordinators, Chairman Jordan, Councilor Anderson, our Finance Director Christy Bradbury, Town Clerk Angela Frawley, and the ladies up in the office, Mel, Linda, Martha, and Wendy. And I just think we all give a round of applause for you know, when I look around the room and as people started to come in, and I just thought about the different kind of phases of my career. Some folks I worked with a long time, and some of the newbies, you know, that we have with us, and you know, to our co-workers and current and past counselors, current and past co-workers, our community members, many of whom have become friends over the year. I really thank you for your support and your guidance to me over time. It's made me want to do better for all of us. And so I appreciate you all. Yes, some may call me picky or particular, detailed, following protocols. And I hope you take that in the spirit it was intended, was to do what was best for the town. And ultimately, doing what's best for the town is best for our citizens, for our employees. And again, some people like to hear from me and some didn't, but I hope you know that it was all intended to do what was right and what was best for the town. The beginning of my career really was for a turning point for municipal clerks. We were looking to bring a higher level of expectations, respect, and professionalism to the clerk's position. You know, the days were the little old lady issuing dog licenses, and that's what people kind of thought of the clerk's profession. In my earlier career, I participated in the New England Municipal Clerks Institute. As Angela knows, she'll be going for her second year next month. It is a 3-year, 1 week out of the summer program. And at that program was Dr. Donald Levitin. You either loved him, I'm not going to use the word hate, or you didn't like him. He was hard-nosed. And we went to this institute and I had him for 3 years. Matter of fact, I don't know if all of you have seen, there's a picture collage up in the tax office lobby. And one of those pictures is a gentleman, you'll see the back of him shaking my hand in kind of a receiving line. And none of you probably knew, but that was Dr. Levitin shaking my hand. On my 3rd year of that institute, I was asked to deliver the speech on behalf of the graduating class. You know, incredible honor it was to be elected among my class to speak on behalf of us. It was a beautiful July night. We were in a mansion in Newport, Rhode Island. And what Dr. Levitin, you know, talked about was respecting the profession, how we presented ourselves, how we carried ourselves, and how we spoke, particularly in public. Well, apparently right after I finished my speech, I must have hit a chord with Dr. Levitin because he was, I picture it right now, he was right in front of me. He was the first one to pop up, and a standing ovation I received on that speech. Hopefully both you all, our community, and I will look back and feel that I was a part of the evolution of this profession. And I want you to know that I did my best. I worked hard, but all keeping in mind always representing the town of Cape Elizabeth. So with that, again, I thank you all for coming. My family is here, and They know how I feel about them and their support. You know, my mother always said that you don't do anything for acknowledgement, you just do it because it's the right thing to do. David, Sharon, thank you. Rick, my brother, John and Ginger, my uncle, my dad, and Rick, thank you so much. Again, this has meant the world to me. It's still a little surreal. I'll be walking out the door tomorrow, not the same, coming back, whenever, not in the same capacity, but I will be around. I will still be here for anyone that needs me and your support. So again, with that, thank you all. Thank you for the event. Susanna, you did the video. Thank you, Susanna, for doing the video. And very apropos that she had clips from the Wild Horse Saloon, in case any of you know. I am a world title blind dancer, so just so you know. So that is that, so I really appreciate that very much. So again, thank you. Thank you, Chair Penny. I've appreciated all the celebration, and in the words of my grandmother, it's too much. It's just been too much. So again, thank you all.